This is the Thrippakkudam Mahadeva Temple. It is a prominent temple located near Arayankavu in the Ernakulam district of Kerala. This unique temple houses two Shiva lingams installed on a single platform. Associated with the legendary Uthratathi Attam, the special rituals of Parvathi Mangalam, the sacred pond on the side offering blessings to all, the temple where goddess Parvathi performs her rituals, Parvathi Mangalam, the main route for obtaining all auspiciousness, the Holy Land dispelling the doubts of Shaktan's doubts, and the presence of Lord Mahavishnu in a special temple are some of the unique features of Thrippakkudam Temple, nestled in the vicinity of Arayankavu and Ernakulam. Before the era when Brahmin supremacy prevailed in Kerala, there was a time when certain areas of Ramamangalam, Uthtara, and Muruyamangalam were collectively referred to as Vedanadu. The deity of chottanikkara Bhagavatha was the village deity of Vedanadu. The Vedanadu village was ruled by the Nambudiri families who migrated from Panayor village. Thousands of Brahmins, scholars of Vedanta, and devotees of Eshwara used to reside in the Uthtara region, with Uthratathi Attam being the prominent figure associated with it. The temple's balikal, sacrificial stone, includes common deities like Brahma, the Ashtadikpalakas, the Navagrahas and the Lotus. During a time when Uthratathi Attam, a devout devotee of Battakam Nadhan, was engaged in worship at the Battakam Nadhan temple, his mother fell ill. Due to the pressing situation, he had to leave the worship incomplete and return. Overwhelmed with guilt for not completing the worship, he tearfully pleaded to God to grant him the opportunity to see him every day. Thus, he has been blessed to witness Lord Shiva perpetually, even in his dreams, to this day. Arriving back in his homeland, he found solace by immersing in a pond near his courtyard for body purification. However, when he tried to leave, he found himself unable to move, realizing that the place had transformed into a divine presence. He was initially disturbed by the presence of an elephant, which later turned into a stone. This is how the Shiva lingams, symbolizing the dual presence of Shiva and Parvathi, came to be in a single pedestal here. Thrippakkudam Mahadeva Temple is known for its unique construction style dating back around 600 years. Even today, during the bathing of the temple in the early morning, one can see a stone in the shape of an elephant in the temple pond, a testament to this incident. The temple's story goes back to the Namboothiri family, who constructed it in the vicinity of the Tamarakotta, a little distance away from the Thrippakkudam Mahadeva Temple. The main deities of the temple are Ganapathi and Shasta. The annual festival of the temple concludes with the Uthratathi Attam Kodiyettu, which falls in the month of Kumbha. In this temple, where Shiva and Parvathi are equally significant, the worship of Uma Maheswara holds great importance.